Okay friend, what's up? This is the second video for iPhone 5 touch not responding problem. In this video I will show you the second method to fix this problem. I already show in the first method this power key and the home key to fix the method, and the second method is you see sometimes touch is not responding, and yeah, the simple way is maybe the problem like you drop your phone in just anywhere, and the connector of this touch and the LCD screen is something loose. That's why sometimes touch will not respond. So you need to press here, just from the eye, just over the battery icon. Press here, and just below the camera, just press here. Not so rough, just press smoothly, just press it, and now try to unlock this phone. Okay, it will unlocked. So this is the another method which will help you to fix your touch problem of your phone. If this method not work properly, then you need to open this two screw and then connect this digitizer properly, digitizer cable properly, to fix your touch problem of your iPhone 5. So thanks for watching this video. If this video helped you, then click on like button and don't forget to subscribe to channel. Thank you.